J7 IT Solution, it started way back 2007. So during that
18
time,
years na pala.
yeah, exactly. So during that time, I started it in my own. So I was a freelancer then. Then until such time that our client grow, then I even handle it anymore. So I started to hire somebody to help
Oh.
me. Sa amin naman sa G7, so about sa software, parang nakilala kami doon sa we build from the scratch eh. So kung ano yung business process mo, yun yung susundin natin. So we build from the scratch until such time na mag-i-improve. Kaya na-adapt namin yung agile na methodology eh. Kasi every time may changes, ay, mas gusto namin may ganito. So, revise na naman. Kaya yung isang software, bihira lang matapos ng isang buwan eh. Normally, pag sa ganitong mga na setup, pinakamababa na yung isang taon pag isang software. Kahit gaano kaliit na software yan.